In March 2020, our college went into 2 weeks of shutdown because of COVID-19. As an instructional designer, I had already been tasked with facilitating our face-to-face fall in-service event. All 65 proposals had been approved, and the faculty presenters were just about to leave for the summer. I started by searching out remote conferences. The remote summit was truly inspiring to me. I studied the landing page and attended several sessions. I brought the idea back to my team. "It can't be done," they exclaimed. But we persevered, and soon our website had an in-service landing page complete with an event hall. Training the reluctant and panicked presenters was a delicate operation. We built a brief but engaging training course and launched a brand and campaign. The course consisted of simple tips for remote presentations and offered ideas and practical supports like an online live lesson plan and engagement guide. We presented everything using a PowerPoint video and then gave the presenters access to the PowerPoint. We had one-on-one consults, live rehearsal sessions, and promised to publish the sessions as examples of best practice for peers. We have collected poignant parts of the sessions and framed them in an online engagement repository of strategies available for the inspiration of all our faculty. The true homegrown resource containing topics people are interested in learning about. Changing mindsets is experiential, and this event proved it works.